What's up guys, it's Nkat here, Forex trader, founder of Desire to Trade, and the host of the Desire to Trade podcast. I had something on my mind I wanted to share this morning. Trading coaches that don't trade. You'll see in my podcast that I have a few guests who are trading coaches, they help traders, but they don't trade. And you'll see a lot of people online bashing on those people and saying that's not right, and they're not doing things correctly. Well, I kind of have my own take on this. But I think most traders who are not succeeding at this point have a big problem accepting the fact that others are not trading or others are not trading to help them. And people are so focused on that fact, the fact of looking at other people and comparing themselves to other people. And I think that's a big problem. Whenever I'm going to look at a coach, I don't care if they're trading or not. The only thing I care about is what result can they get to people. Right? That's the biggest part. And the more I'm in that business of helping traders, the more I realize that I have two jobs right now. Trading and coaching, right? That's two different things, really two different jobs. But the problem is that people are so focused on on wanting people to trade, to help them. They don't think about the result they're going to get. You could hire someone that is trading, and that person's going to be so focused on his trading that he's not going to be able to help you out. And you could hire another person who's going to be focused 100% on coaching and helping you, and you're going to get 10 times the result. So you have to see it that way. And whenever you look at sports, in sports, the best coaches they're not athletes. They're coach. It's a different thing. So whenever you expect your trading coach to be someone who trade, well, you kind of want to have someone who's doing the work. And it's going to be a different game than someone who's going to coach you 100% of the time. So those are just my thoughts, but I really, really believe that people are too focused on wanting to have someone who trades to help them. Don't get me wrong here, because there's a lot of people who want to coach. They're not trading. They have no clue what trading is. So you have to be careful with that. But you always have to measure the result. And that's the real game. You're not learning just to have someone who trades help you. You're learning and you're trading because you want to have a result. And that's the biggest part. Whenever you do something like this, focus on the outcome you want, not the process. When you trade, focus on the process, right? You need to apply your strategy. But when you want to have something like this, make a decision, focus on the outcome you want to have. What is the outcome? Do you really want to trade full time, or you just want to learn from someone who's doing it, right? There's a big difference here. But I truly believe that coaches can help you out, even if they're not traders. So that's my take. I would love to see you comment, but I think people are way too confused with this topic. And I think there's way too much hate on coaches that don't trade. So tell me what you think. And I'm curious to know, because it's something people will need to understand. People need to know. People have different opinion on this. So let me know. Check out the Facebook group, desiretotrade.com/group. If you want me to help you personally, check out the Desire to Trade Academy. This is where I help most traders and where I do most of my work. desiretotrade.com/join academy. And you'll see everything there. And if you have any question, reach out to me. Let me know in the Facebook group. And I'll see you pretty soon. Ciao.